You can now invest in the Nairobi Securities Exchange through your M-PESA application. So the Ziidi Trader is now open for the public to trade in the Nairobi Securities Exchange, and this is very exciting. And I just went through the process and recorded everything so that you can see how to go about it. And I would like to issue a disclaimer here. This is not a review of the platform. I just saw that it is open to the public and decided to make a video just for you to see how the process goes. And I invested just 300 Kenya shillings in Kenya Re just to show you how easy it is, because I was surprised, because you don't need a CDS account and you don't need to transfer your money to the platform because it is interacting directly with your M-PESA. Okay, I've not reviewed the platform. I have not done any analysis. I just went through the process just to show you. I'll do another video maybe later on to just analyze the platform and see what it has to offer. But besides the process, I've not done any analysis, okay? So let's see how it goes, and I'm very excited about this. And I would like to mention that investing in the stock market is risky. I know the process of investing has become very easy now, but you still need to do your analysis on the stocks that you're investing in. You need to understand the companies that you're investing in, evaluate them before going in, okay? So make sure that you're not putting money that you cannot afford to lose in the stock market. Stock market is very volatile, and if you're a beginner, I would encourage you to still start with low risk investment before you go to high risk investment, because it's very possible you invest today and tomorrow you see negatives in your account, and you're going to see this. I invested in this Kenya Re, and the first thing that I saw is that I had already lost like 10 bob in my account. So you need to keep that in mind. You need to know that investing in the stock market is for long term, so that you can give the market time to play out or to make you money. All right, so keep that in mind as we see how this platform works. It's super easy. So first you go to your M-PESA application, log in, and then you're going to search for Ziidi Trader, and then you just click on it and it's going to open the Ziidi Trader. So here they have a few things that you need to go through. Just make sure that you read this so that you can understand the platform and how it works. Then you can click on the button to just go to next, okay? So, and after that, you'll do a simple registration to say where your source of funds. Make sure that you indicate that right, whether you're getting it from a business, salary, or investment. Then indicate whether you're employed or self-employed, and then you're going to click on start trading. Next, you're going to get a disclaimer. Make sure you read it and then check that button and just click on start trading. After that, it will open the platform, and here you can do a few. You can see we have trade, portfolio, and also your accounts, and under home there is go to trade or buy stocks, okay? And I like the feature at the top where they have indicated how many hours to the close of the market, and then if the market is closed, they are going to indicate it there. Just hit on trade and then or buy stocks, and then it's going to open different stocks and their prices in the market. So you choose which stock you want to invest in, and in our case we are looking for Kenya Re, and remember these stocks are listed with their ticker symbols. So after getting the stock of your choice, you're just going to click on it, and then you're going to click on buy. So after that, you're going to key in the number of stocks that you want to invest in, and this you get by the price of the stock and the amount that you have in your account. So you just divide, and you can see for Kenya Re, the price was 3 Kenya shillings. So for 2 it was 6. That was too low, so I decided to do 100 so that I can pay 300 Kenya shillings. And you can see the total amount there is their charges, and the total amount that I'll be paying is 322. So it's going to prompt you to your M-PESA, and this is what I'll be paying, and it's going to prompt you to key in your M-PESA pin, and then after that it just executes the trade. And just like that, you have bought your shares. Let me know in the comment section, what do you think about this feature? Is it a game changer? You can let me know in the comment section, or do you have doubts about the platform? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share this with friends. Also follow me for more happy investing. See you in our next video. Bye.